With the Beijing Winter Olympics approaching, Turkish alpine skier Özlem Karaçoğlu expressed her determination to give the best performance she could, during her intensive training in Turkey's eastern province of Erzurum. The 28-year-old athlete, who struggled in the 2018 Olympic Winter Games in Pyeongchang, Republic of Korea, is one of the 7 Turkish athletes who will go to Beijing this week for the Winter Olympics, which will run from February the 4th to 20th.
Çünkü aradan geçen 4 senede hem daha fazla
In the past 4 years, I have become more experienced and also improved myself more, mentally and physically. Therefore, I feel more comfortable about this Olympics. So what I want to achieve the most for myself in Beijing is to take my score further than the one in the previous Olympics.
For the past 4 years, she has been trying to promote winter sports in Turkey by creating a skiing club in Erzurum, where she has been training new skiers and sharing her experience.
bana çok fazla ilgi ve
There is not much interest in sponsorship to skiing in Turkey. But I'm working hard to make skiing a more popular sport.
She said the trip to China is for not only the Olympic Games, but also a glimpse of the Chinese culture that has long fascinated her.
turistik olarak görmek istediğim
Beijing
yer.
is one of the places I always want to go and see as a tourist. That's why I would like to experience that culture. It seems very interesting as I heard from my friends who went there. I hope we can taste a little bit of its culture.
See you in Beijing. Beijing 2022, we are coming. Together for a shared future.